guys. Okay, I think I've met your height now. Hi, ako si David.
Ako si Sarah.
And we are secretly learning Bisaya. So we are almost at our 6-month point for everyday study. Well, at least I am. She hasn't been studying every day. Or a little bit anyways.
That's because I couldn't even get into my phone. I got locked out, and the only other device I could use was my school laptop. And I can't log into that because Facebook is blocked.
Yeah.
Which is how I signed in.
Yeah. And she wasn't about to just go on a laptop and start all over, I guess. You didn't know your login information, right?
Well, I didn't.
For Memrise?
I didn't even have another device to use.
But like you can go on a laptop, like my laptop you could have, right?
Yeah, if I...
Did you know your password for Memrise? Because you said you used your Facebook login, right?
Yeah, I just said sign in with Facebook.
So you could have. You just didn't, like all you had to do is look up your Facebook password, right?
Yeah, and I'd have to come in here every day.
You could have done it. So, last time we did a song, the Itsy Bitsy Spider, the Bisaya lyrics, and then we just translated it into English. I'm being kind of hush-hush, by the way, because I don't know where my mom's at. But we didn't want to just translate a song again, so we decided that we should try our best to just make our own. It's written from our perspective, and that's just like us talking to our mother. One day, perhaps she will hear it, and hopefully she will understand it. So anyways, let's go.
Yeah, what do we... Let's go.
Oh, I messed up that last part. Did you hear that?
Wait, what did you...
That's okay. You got through the main part.
Wait, what happened?
Okay. I was pausing to see if you wanted to say something else.
No.
You don't want to say anything else?
No.
I didn't fart, that was the tripod.
Wait, I don't...
No. You have to go. There you go. Yeah.
I don't know how to squeeze air in like that.
That's letting the air in the palm and then just squeeze it out.
Mine just sounds like a pop.
Well, the first step is finding your suction anyways, so. Wow. Is this gonna make the video?